Now, okay, we are going to learn that type of sum in which we are going to compare the simple interest and compound interest. Okay. So there are two-person like you, one and two, okay, Faizan and Mufaddal. Okay. Now you have borrowed some amount from Mufaddal. Okay. For example, or you have borrowed some amount from me. Okay. I have given you 50,000 rupees. Okay. At some rate of interest for some years. Okay. Now you took that amount of money and you gave it to Mufaddal again. Okay. But on compound interest. You have taken that money from me on simple interest, but you have given that amount to Mufaddal on compound interest. Same rate of interest and same time. Okay. So in which transaction you will earn more? Will you earn or will you lose? You are telling me will you gain. Okay. How? He is taking that sum of money, okay, from me on simple interest, and he is giving that same amount of money to you on compound interest. He has to pay interest to me and you have to pay interest to him. Okay, fine. So who will be in profit? I will be in profit, or he will be in profit, or you will be in profit? Okay, he will be in profit. How? That we will calculate now. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, a person A, okay, okay, person A has borrowed a sum of 86,000 rupees. 86,000 rupees. Okay, at rate of interest is 5% and time period is 2 years. Okay. All this is on simple interest. Now this person A means this would be the principal. Now this person A has given this amount to person B. Okay. Person B. So for person B the principal is 86,000, same, and the rate and time are also same. Rate is 5% and time is 2 years. But this is compound interest. This is 5% per annum annually. So in these two transactions, okay, what interest I have to pay over year, and I have to calculate what interest I have to pay over year. Okay. Now this is given to person C. Okay. Now this person will give interest to person B, and this person B will give interest to person A. So in this transaction, person B has gain or lose, that we have to find out. It's very easy. Let's start. First, we will calculate the simple interest. Simple interest formula P R T upon 100, which is P is 86,000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 upon 100. Just 2 cancel, 2 ones are, okay, it's not going to cancel. So 8600 into 2 5s are 10. So 8600 is the simple interest. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Now, we have to calculate it same thing but on compound interest. Okay. So compound interest is amount is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Amount we have to find out. Okay. P is given 8600 86,000. 1 plus R is 5 upon 100 raised to 2. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 1 upon 20. So 86,000 again. 20 ones are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 20. 2 times, so we'll multiply 21 upon 20 over here. Just open the bracket, 86,000 into 21 into 21, the whole upon 20 into 0, 0, 0, 0, cancel. Okay, 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 threes are, and 0 as it is. Again 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, which is equals to 215 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. Okay, now if we calculate this, okay, 215 into 21 into 21, which will come up to 94,815 rupees. Okay, this is the amount. This is the amount. Now, but we have to find the interest, compound interest. Now, to find the compound interest is equals to amount minus principal. Amount is 94815 minus 8600. Sorry, principal triple zero. Thank you. So if you subtract this, you will get how much rupees? 8815. 8815. So this is the compound interest and this is the simple interest. Okay, you can clearly see that compound interest is more and simple interest is less. Now the main thing we are going to do over here, the difference. Difference. Difference, compound interest is more minus simple interest. So 8815 minus 8600, which comes up to 215 rupees. See, again I'm explaining. Person A, okay, for example, Faizan, if Faizan has taken 86,000 from me at 5% and at time is 2 years, okay. So if you calculate the interest he have to pay, so he will pay me 8,600 as a interest, okay. Now Faizan has given the same money to you, but on a compound interest, okay. So if you calculate the compound interest, okay, you will get the compound interest as 8,815. So you will pay 8,815 as an interest to Faizan, okay. Out of this money he will give me 8,600 rupees. So how much money he is left with? So he has taken from money from me, he has given the same to you, but he did a profit on this transaction of 215 rupees. Understood? Yes, Mufaddal? Yes. Okay. Now, come the next sum. See, let's see some. Arun borrows 24,000 from Brian at simple interest for 2 years at 5% per annum and immediately lends out this money to Chand for 2 years at 5% per annum, compounded annually. What is the Arun's gain in this transaction? Same thing, we have to do same thing over here. Okay, let's start that. So what we have given, Arun borrows 24,000 from Brian. So first we'll write over here. Okay, first A transaction. First Brian to Arun. Principal is 24,000 rupees. Rate given over here is 5% per annum and time given over here is 2 years. Okay. And Arun immediately lent this money to Chand. Now, second part, which is Arun to Chand. Okay. Principal is same, 24,000 rupees. Rate is also same, 5% annum per annum, and time is again 2 years. But the only difference over here, this is simple interest. Yes, this is simple interest and this is compound interest. Okay. So first thing we'll find out with simple interest. Okay. So part A, simple interest is equals to PRT upon 100, which is PS 24,000 multiplied by rate is 5 multiplied by time is 2 years upon 100, 0 cut. So 24 into 2 5s are 10, 240. So which is 2,400 rupees is your simple interest. Okay. So Arun will pay 2,400 rupees interest to Brian. Now part B. Okay. In part B, what we have? Compound interest. So we'll write compound interest. Amount is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. P is again 24,000. 1 plus R is 5 upon 100 raised to 2 years. So 24,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 20, 2s are 10 and 0. So 21 upon 20, 2 times, so 21 upon 20 over here. So next step, 24,000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 0, 0 cut over here, 0, 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 120s are, again 2 ones are 2, 2 60s are. So 60 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. So let's do this calculation first over here. So 20, 1, 21. So 21 is 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2 into 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It is 4, 4, 1. So 4, 4, 1 multiplied by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24, 25, 26. So 26460 rupees is your amount. See, this is your amount. This is not the interest. Okay. Now we have to calculate the interest. So compound interest is equals to amount minus principal. Amount is 26460 minus 24000, which comes up to 2,460 rupees. This is the compound interest. Okay. Now difference. So we'll write over here that Chan will pay 2,460 rupees interest to Arun. Okay. Now, okay, the question they have asked us, what is the Arun's gain in this transaction? Now, Arun's gain in this transaction. So we'll find the difference. So difference is equals to compound interest minus simple interest. Compound interest is 2460 minus simple interest is 2400, which is 60 rupees. So Arun gained 60 rupees in this transaction. So this is how it is done. Okay. Everything first you calculate simple interest, then compound interest. Okay. Then you in compound interest you will find the amount, and from amount you will calculate the interest, and then we will take out the difference, and after difference we will get the gain money. Okay. Done.